Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome student. Today's topic is conversion from one scale to another scale. And we will see the relation between Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin scale. Okay? Now, look at this. First of all, just tell me the answer that what is the ice point of Kelvin scale. How much? 273 Kelvin. And steam point of Kelvin scale, how much? 373 Kelvin. 373 Kelvin. Okay, this is also called lower fixed point, this is also called upper fixed point. Okay, lower fixed point and upper fixed point. Now the relation between K and degree centigrade. Before that, we have to know that how many units in Celsius scale. We know what is the range of the Celsius scales, degree Celsius, 0 to 100. So total number of division is 100 units. Okay, 100 units. And in Fahrenheit, the minimum, the ice point is 32, and 32 to 212. So the total division is 212 minus 32. How much? 180 units. Okay, this question they will ask. Okay, in Fahrenheit scale, how many division, how many units or division? 180. And in Celsius scale, how many division or how many units? 100 units. Okay, so if we divide 180 by 100, then we will get, let's divide 180, 1 unit of Celsius, wait, 100 unit of Celsius is equal to 180 unit of Fahrenheit. Then 1 unit of Celsius is equal to 180 unit of Fahrenheit. 180 by 100. If we cut it, 0 cancel, then this will be 2 9 and 2 5 9 by 5. 9 by 5 F. So 1 unit of Celsius is equal to 9 by 5 unit of Fahrenheit. Okay, now the relation between Celsius and Fahrenheit is F equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. Remember this one. Number 2, if C equal to 5 by 9, F minus 32. F minus 32. Okay, with the help of these two formula, we will find out S, C and F. For example, if C is given 35 degree Celsius, 10 degree centigrade. If the value is given C is 30 degree centigrade, and the question is asked what is the value of F. What is the value of F? Then we will use that formula, F equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. Now put the value of C. 9 by 5 instead of C you will write 9 by 5, you will write 30 plus 32. So 5 6 ja 30 and 9 6 ja 36. Sorry, 54 and plus 32. So 4 2 6 and 5 and 3 8. So 30 C equal to 30 degree centigrade, then F equal to, what is the value we get? 86. So answer will be 86 degree F. 86 degree F. So in this way, if the value of C is given, then we will calculate the F. Now suppose if the value F is given 86 degree Fahrenheit, and their question is what is the value of centigrade. This is the question. So we will use this formula, C equal to 5 by 9 F minus 32. F minus 32. Now what is the value given? 86. Now put the value of F here. 5 by 9 86. F is given 86 minus 32. Now 86 minus 32. 86 minus 32 how much? 6 minus 2 is 4 and 8 minus 3 is 5. So 5 by 9 into 54. And 9 6 ja 54 and 6 5 ja 30. So this is the value of C. This is the value of C. So if F equal to 86, then we will get the value 30 degrees centigrade. So in this way, one value is given, we will calculate by using the formula. Okay. So hope you have understood. If you have any kind of question, then you can ask. Inshallah, I will sort it out. Now one more question is that if F equal to X and C equal to X, okay, then find the value of X. Put it C by 5 equal to F minus 32 by 9. Here look at this, Fahrenheit scale is X, Celsius scale is also X. It means Fahrenheit and Celsius scale both are same, X and X. Put the value of X here, C equal to X and F equal to X, and then tell me what is the value of X. What is the value of X? The value of X will be that value where, for example, if the value of X is 60 degrees, I am giving one example, it may be 60, it may be 40, it may be 100, okay, 60, 40 or 100, okay, maybe. So for example, that the value of X is 60, okay, so that value, at that value the Fahrenheit and centigrade is equal. Okay, now just write in a comment what is the value of X. Okay, just calculate it and just give me the answer. Okay, write in a comment. Now thermometer. Thermometer is of many types. Here in our book it is given clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer. Okay, this clinical thermometer. Number 2, laboratory thermometer. Lab. The thermometer which is used in lab or laboratory. which is strong to measure the high temperature, we use laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer the doctor use to measure our fever, that is the body temperature. Okay, that is called clinical thermometer. It is also known as doctor's thermometer. Okay, doctor's thermometer. In this, what is the most important thing? The range of the clinical thermometer, or what is the range of laboratory thermometer? The clinical thermometer range is 94 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. This is the range of clinical thermometer. Okay, remember this one, very important, very important. Okay, and what is the range for laboratory thermometer? Minus 10 degree centigrade to 110 degree centigrade. This is the range for laboratory thermometer. Now, here 94 degree Fahrenheit, you have to convert this into centigrade and tell me what is the value of 94 in centigrade and what is the value of 108 degree Fahrenheit in centigrade. Okay, this is the range of clinical thermometer. Remember this, 94 degree Fahrenheit to 108. And laboratory thermometer range is minus 10 degree centigrade and minus 10 degree centigrade to 110 degree centigrade. You have to convert. Just tell me what is the value of in Fahrenheit scale. Write in a comment. Okay, using that formula, that is C equal to F minus 32 by 9. That formula. Okay. Hope you have understood. So in this thermometer, the range is most important. Okay. Hope you have understood. Inshallah, we will sort out. If you have any kind of question, just ask. Write in a comment. Thank you.